In this video, we're going to add background music and sounds to our game. I've disabled the background music for now so you can clearly hear my voice. We've also added sound effects so it plays a sound when you jump and when you gather a collectible. First step is to find the background music and the sound effects we want to play. I have found my background music and sound effects on Pixabay, where I've chosen this for the jump sound effect, this for the collectible sound effect, and this for the background music. I will leave links for these down in the description, but you're also free to go ahead and find your own sounds. Then back in Unity, I will create a new folder for this, which I will call audio, and inside my folder, I will take the three sounds I've found and simply just drag them in the folder. I will just rename my three sounds so it's easier to differentiate between them. So now that I have my background music, my collectible sound, and my jump sound effects, I will go to my hierarchy, right click and create an empty game object, which I will name Sound Manager. I will then go to my scripts folder and create a new model behavior script, which I will also name Sound Manager. I will then go to my Sound Manager game object and attach my Sound Manager script to it. I will then open up my Sound Manager script, and for this I would like three serialized fields. The first will be a private audio clip jump sound, the next will be a private audio clip collectible sound, and the third one will be a private audio source, and I will name it audio source. Then I will need two separate methods, one for playing the jump sound and one for playing the collectible sound. So I will type public void play jump sound, and in here I will simply use our audio source variable dot play one shot, and I want to play my jump sound. And this seems like a good time for a challenge. So go ahead and create the next method for playing our collectible sound. Try using our play jump sound method as a reference point. Pause the video now, give it a good go, and then come back to the video to see the solution. Okay, welcome back. So we need a method which is public void play collectible sound. And in here we will do the same as we did in our play jump sound method, which is audio source play one shot, but instead of jump sound, we're going to use our collectible sound. Now that we have our methods for playing the jump and the collectible sound effects, we would like to play them at the correct point in the game. So it would make sense for us to call these methods from other scripts, such as the player controller when we jump. And we will do this by making the sound manager a singleton. So I will create a public static sound manager, which I will call instance. And inside the awake method, I will type if instance is equal to null, then set the instance to this. Else, we would like to destroy the game object. So if the sound manager does not exist, then create it, and if it already exists, then destroy the instance that Unity is currently trying to create. And now we would like to call our methods at the correct points in the game. And it would make sense to play our jump sound when we jump. So I will head to my player controller script where I have my onJump method. And when we jump, we simply want to access our sound manager instance and then call the method play jump sound. And now comes your next challenge of the video. Play the collectible sound effect when the player picks up a collectible. Pause the video now, give it a good go, and then come back to the video to see the solution. Okay, welcome back. So for this, I will go to my collectible script. So inside our if statement, I will access our sound manager instance and call the method play collectible sound. Of course, we would also like to keep our sound manager when switching to another level, so therefore we will also add the don't destroy on load for this game object. And then back in Unity, I will go to my sound manager game object and attach my sound manager script to it. I will also go to add component and add a audio source. Then I will lock my inspector, go to my imported audio files, and I will drag in my jump sound and my collectible sound. And we need an audio source to play this, so I will simply use this audio source. And then for the audio source in the audio generator field, I will drag in my background music. I will make sure this is set to play on awake, so we play our background music by default. And I will also set it to loop, so it does not just play one time. So now when we play our game, you can hear we have some awesome background music, but for the sake of hearing the other sounds as well, and my voice, I will just disable play on awake and loop for now. And now when we jump, we get the jump sound effect, and when you gather a collectible. So well done in this video. We now have a fully working sound system with sound effects and background music. In the next video, we will create a main menu for our game and a level selection menu. Until then, thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.